All right, everybody. Scott Pierce here. Super excited to walk you through the new marketing pack for your social media and your database. So, there's a report that came out that the housing prices were up 2.2% and inventory is down and unemployment is down also. And we gave an email and a social media video and image swipe files for you to get that out to the marketplace and start engaging your audience via both your database and social media. Here is an example of the social media swipe file. And we even did it where you can add polls to it. So you're going to see here, this is an Instagram story. And then the next story there has a poll. So on the phone, on mobile, people can actually vote on that poll. You'll see Instagram here. You can see here. Now on the phone, there's actually a poll that goes right there where it was blank. On the laptop, you don't see it, but on the phone, you do. We have a social media post right here. And then I got that linked to this landing page. And then we've got an email. And I'm going to show you how to send this email out through your database and or through listings to leads as well. And I'll give you a link here to the training on how to do all of this if you need it. But just real quickly, it's so easy. You don't even need a training video, I don't think. In listings to leads, scroll down past pending and sold to the section here, database email blast. Now you can send it through your CRM or through listings to leads. First thing I like to do is click send test email, click send and send that to myself. Then go ahead and click on the subject line. So it sits here in the editor. I can edit this. I got my image. It's going to link to the ultimate guide to buying a home. And so again, I can click send test email. I can click either send or schedule and send that out to, this is appropriate for all of your leads, by the way. So send or schedule to all the leads in listings to leads, or click the copy code button and then go to your CRM. So whatever CRM that you normally use and go to where you send an email blast. So right there at the editor, there's going to be a button called source. And if you click it, there might be something in there. If there is, just delete anything in there and then paste in the stuff from listings to leads. And now you've got a beautiful email that's ready to go in just about 10 seconds. What I would do is come back over to listings to leads, grab that subject line, drop it in, and then I would send it out. I would send another test email from my CRM or my email program. If it looks good, I would send it out. If not, find out what's wrong. It could be good to go. So that's the email for your database. For the image and video swipe files, click the media library and you'll land on, and if you don't, click media from L to L. You'll see images and videos. And if I come back to images, you'll see those different images for different applications right there. This would be a great one for a social media post or your email. And these are for different social media platforms, image based. And then we got videos. And so here's what I do. I will open this up, and if I'm on my phone, I'll just download it and I'll post right from my phone. Otherwise, I will click to download. And there's 3 different versions, and I'll tell you what the versions are for. The first one here is just a general post. So the video content is going to flow all the way through it. And then from here on my phone, I just go to file, share, airdrop it. And I airdrop it to myself. I could email it to myself if I wanted to. Or again, I could just log into Listings to Leads on my phone, download it right there. There is also a version right here. And you can see where it says TikTok poll video. And so TikTok allows for a poll to be put in the middle of a video. And so if you watch this right here, you're going to see that the video right at about 6 seconds, it's going to go blank. And that's where the poll would go. And if you see my TikTok, and you'll see a link to it in the mastermind group, you can go look at my TikTok video on your phone and you'll see there's a poll right where it's blank. And then this one is blank the entire time. And this is meant to use as an Instagram story poll. And so again, there's a lot of different things you can do. I would get that first video up on my Instagram, my TikTok, my YouTube shorts, my Facebook stories as well. I would get the email out the door to my database, and then I would get that social media, and I would copy the email. So what I did for the Facebook post is I just copied the text from the email. I downloaded and uploaded the image from Listings to Leads Media Library from the image section. And then I just threw in a link to my agent listing website. So this agent website from Listings to Leads, Here, they can download my 100-point home marketing plan. They can put in for buying. They can get a home value. They can also download all my PDF guides. Right here, I got an embed for a cash offer. Our investors offering you pennies on the dollar. See my other listings, client reviews, seller and buyer guides that they can download. So my agent website, all my client reviews. So my agent website from Listings to Leads is brilliant as far as having something to send them to. So if you see here, if I go to listings, and now the email actually is going to have a link to the ultimate guide to buying a home automatically put into it, which is kind of nice because that way they can either see the image, and below the image in the email will be a link to the ultimate guide to buying a home. So some really great engagement right there. And I'm looking for the agent website under more tools, agent website right there. If I click view, and notice that domain, I got a great domain. So I just threw that into the social media post to have something for people to link to, but you could link to whatever you want to from there. So there you go. You have got an email. Get that out to your database. It is on the dashboard. Just scroll down to database email. You got video and image swipe files. So your TikTok, your Instagram, your YouTube shorts, your Facebook, get that out the door. Don't worry about the polls if you don't know how to do that. Don't worry about linking to things if you don't know how to do that. You can learn that stuff later. Just get the videos up. And then lastly, get the social media post done on your Facebook page and get people engaged. Let your audience know about what's happening in the marketplace, become more informed, and help your audience understand what's happening on either the buy or sell. I'm not here to schlep or to promote or to shill for buying or selling. I'm here just to give information to people for them to make the best decision for their particular circumstance possible. I'm here just to facilitate buying and selling real estate. So if you have any questions, let me know. We'll talk to you soon.